up, gamers? It's me, Acer. Today, I'm gonna show you how to get a mutant mod. A mutant mod, yeah. But I'm gonna teach you how to get a mutant mod. So yeah. So you need to go to Google Play Store. Yeah. It's only is you can do it from whatever every Minecraft, even crafting and building. You see this. If you see this one this without the snow golem, that means that's it. And then you'll go get the quiz, and then if it's already in over here and in this part, wait, if is already in this part, that means you need to download all of these, and then now go next, and then install that, and then go to your Minecraft.
Tutorial ka ba dyan?
So, and that was weird. That was weird. So you can just like create a world, and then just just gonna go my mutant world without an M for mutant, and then you can just go here, press this, press this, and then press that to activate, and then if you don't and if you don't want to still play it, then just press deactivate. If you're done playing it and you don't want to play it again, so then just play, and then you will see the mutant stuff, and I will show you where to get the mutant stuff. Mutant stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show you where's the mutant stuff. Yeah, and go follow me in TikTok, Wolf Gamer. Yeah, go follow me in TikTok. And even join.
Where?
And even join my group in Roblox.
What's your group? Naka-record ka ba?
So join my group in Roblox. It's called Tick Squad. You see how do I get these? So yeah, this is how did I get those. So first I'm gonna put them here. You will see if you're in here and then you're in creative, go super down, and then you'll see the hammer. Then and then if we're here and you see those are not the armors that you need. Those are not skeleton armors. As you can see, it's different from here to me to there. And go over here, and then it's not over there. It's over here. It's over like over here and here. This is not a normal one. This is a mutant one. And then this one, and then this one is there. And you want to get this one, just go to armors. So yeah, guys, that's how you get the mutant mod. Peace out.